Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to see how to create a file or a directory on target system. For this purpose, I am going to use a module called file. Assume that you don't know which module you should use. Then go to browser and search for module, Ansible module to create file. Okay, you can see here, you can see file module, manage files and file properties. Let me open this one. You can see the description, set attributes of files, symlinks or directories, and you can see parameters what you can use. And if you scroll down little bit, you can see the examples as well. Okay, so how can you create a file, or how can you change the ownership of a file, how can you create a directory, all this information is there. Okay, now we are going to create a file. Whenever you are creating a file, you should use the parameter called state, and it has these choices. Okay, absent, directory, file, hard link, touch, these are the options. If you want to create a file, you should use the touch. If you want to create a directory, we should use the directory. Fine. And the next thing is path. Path is where do you want to create this file. You can see here path, it is required. Where do you want to create your particular file, that you can specify over here. Now let's jump in and create a new Ansible playbook to create a file or a directory. Alright, I'm creating a new file to create a file. For this, I'm going to use a va create underscore file.yml. Go to insert mode, 3 minuses and minus name. This playbook creates a file or directory. Then hosts, I'm going to give all, because creating a directory is common for either RHEL or Amazon or Ubuntu. So let's execute on all. Then become true. Okay, become true is not required for this case, but let it be. I want to show you one variation. Then tasks, I'm going to name it as a creating a file. Now which module we are using? That is file module. In file module, we are going to give the path, nothing but the file name which you want to create on the target system. I want to create under /home ANS admin, because here I have enough permission to create a file. Demo file, I am creating a file called demo file on the target system. So whenever you specify path, here you should give the your file name or directory name as well. Otherwise it will try to create a ANS admin as a file. Okay, next, to create a file we need to give the state, right? So state either touch or directory. If you are creating a directory, this is a file, so we should use touch. So touch, let's save this one, and cat create file.yml. You can see here we are creating on all servers. All servers, nothing but cat hosts which are there in this current location. Okay, this is how we can display. Another way is we can display with Ansible command as well. Ansible all -i hosts minus list hosts. This is a actual command to list out your host inventory. You can see here 3 hosts. It is going to display the all the unique hosts information. Let's create a file. So Ansible playbook -i hosts create file.yml. Let me create it. So it's executing. Okay, all right, it's created successfully. Let's go to onto RHEL server. I'm already on Ansible home directory. ls, if I give demo file, similar way here also ls, I'm already on target location. Here also ls. Okay, everywhere demo file is created. Now I am going to show you one more thing. ls minus l, ls minus l, ls minus l. Okay, you can see here this demo file has been created by root user. User also root, group also root. And if you see here, same thing, it is owned by root. If you see here, here also it is owned by root. Why? Because while creating our Ansible playbook, we have specified become true. Become true means what will happen? First, I will log into target system as a ANS admin. Then I will become a root. Then I can execute this particular command or module. If I don't specify this one, I will create a file as a ANS admin user itself. Let's comment this become true and create one more file. Okay, let's create a directory. Anyway, we have seen how to create a file. So I'm creating a directory dir1 and directory. Okay, directory. But I want to create it without become true. So I have commented it out, and while commenting, it doesn't take the indentation. It may be anywhere, just it should be commented out. Now let's execute the same Ansible playbook on same hosts. You can see here it has been created. Now if I see ls-l, dir1 has been created but as a ANS admin. Why? Because it doesn't converted as a root user to execute this Ansible playbook. Alright, sorry, ls-l. Okay, this is how we can create files or directories on target system. Now I don't want to these two files. I can remove it. So to remove, I just need to specify the, instead of state directory, I can give the absent. Okay, let's execute it again. It has been changed, and if I go and check, it has been removed now. Clear? So that is how file module does work. Thanks for watching this video. In next video, we are going to see copy module.